just starting out. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Personal Path to Profit. Today, we're going to explore the various paths that can lead you to financial freedom and success in the online world. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable steps to kickstart your journey towards profitability. The importance of finding your path is crucial. To find a path that aligns with your interests, skills, and goals. Because trying to navigate the digital world without a clear direction can lead to frustration and wasted efforts. One of the most popular and accessible paths to online profits is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for every sale you generate. This business model offers several advantages, including low startup costs, the ability to work from anywhere, and the potential for passive income. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose a niche that interests you and has a proven demand. Build an audience through content creation, social media, or email marketing. Promote high-quality products that provide value to your audience. Implement effective marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click PPC advertising, or influencer collaborations. Another path to take if you are more advanced or really creative is course creation, sharing your expertise. If you possess valuable knowledge or skills in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a highly rewarding path. With the rise of e-learning platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable, you can reach a global audience and monetize your expertise. To become a successful course creator, consider the following steps. Identify a topic or skill that people are willing to pay for. Create high-quality, engaging content that delivers real value. Leverage various marketing channels, such as social media, email lists, and influencer partnerships, to promote your course. Continuously update and improve your course based on student feedback. Here's another path and a favorite of a lot of marketers: digital marketing, helping businesses and other marketers grow their brand. As businesses increasingly shift their focus to the online world, the demand for digital marketing services continues to soar. If you have a knack for marketing, branding, or social media management, offering your services to businesses can be a lucrative path. To succeed in this field, you'll need to develop a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and previous work. Stay up to date with the latest digital marketing trends and best practices. Build a network of potential clients through networking events, online communities, or referrals. Continuously improve your skills and expand your service offerings. Now the path to riches and wealth, list building and email marketing. They say that every dollar spent on email marketing returns $42. That's 4,200% return if I did my math right. Regardless of the path you choose, building an email list and leveraging email marketing can be a game changer. By nurturing a loyal audience and providing value through your emails, you can establish a strong connection with your subscribers and increase your chances of success. To build a successful email list, consider the following strategies. Offer a valuable lead magnet, such as in Flipbook, webinar, or free course, in exchange for email addresses. Optimize your website for lead generation by strategically placing opt-in forms. Leverage social media platforms to promote your lead magnet and encourage signups. Consistently provide valuable content and offers to your email subscribers. Remember, the path to online profits is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's essential to explore different opportunities, experiment with various strategies, and continuously learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to try new things, pivot when necessary, and embrace the ever-evolving nature of the online world. Conclusion. In the end, the key to success lies in finding a path that aligns with your passions, skills, and goals. Whether it's affiliate marketing, course creation, digital marketing services, or a combination of these, the opportunities are endless. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and never stop learning. With dedication and the right mindset, you can turn your online endeavors into a thriving and profitable venture. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies on your personal path to profit. Until next time, keep hustling, and may your online journey be filled with success and abundance.